going to discuss about the shapes and about the fruits. You know about the shape of apple and how the apple looks, okay? If you are having apple, just rotate, those who are having it, just rotate your hand around the apple from the top side. What's the shape of the apple? So it means like this is a small circle and the upper part is a big circle and the lower part is a little bit bumpy. Okay, who will tell me the technique which we will use to color it? Hatching, yes, hatching can be done, like the curved strokes, we can make the curved strokes, and smudging can be done and shading can be done. Okay, fine, great. Okay, but must have seen the bananas also, fine. So now please tell me the shape of banana. It is like a, it can be crescent, like the shape of moon also. Now tell me which technique we can use. For the dots, we can do stippling, but for the lines, we can use hatching and cross hatching. Let's check the size and the shape of mango. What is the shape of mango? Oval, okay. And which technique we can use for coloring this? Shading and smudging, and for the black dots, stippling, okay. And few fruits come in the bunches also, like the bunch of banana and the bunch of lychees, like this. It's a canary melon, a form of melon, yellow and light yellow, and it is big oval. So let's start making the fruit basket today. The fruit basket is oval from the top, but the other side is not visible. So we will make this side a little bit curved side. Okay, make curved line. And please make sure the curves are at the same level, finishing at the same level. And it is big. See, very small space is left from both sides. Please check this. Leave 5-finger distance from the bottom and make a big curved line. Now one more time. Curved line and close it with the curve. Now leave 1-finger distance from this side and 1-finger distance from this side. Make a dot here and a dot here. And then you can make a slant line on this side and a slant line on this side. And then join it with a little bit curved line. Some part of the melon is in the basket, so we can't see that. So let's make a big oval like this for the melon. And the lower part of the banana is also hidden on this part. Okay, and it is in front of this. So let's make a curved line like this and then a sleeping line. Make one curved line small. Make a curve like this. Close it from the top. Make a curved line and join it. So let's make a big curve, big circle, or you can make an oval. Big circle over here. Now make a small circle touching this part. Put your pencil here on this side and join the tummy with a curved line here. With a curved line again on the same thing. Like now there is an apple. I can see only the upper part and very less part of the lower part. Go round and round, make it broad and take turn and join it here. And the stem is like narrow from bottom and top. So only the small part is hidden behind this and it is like a circle. Plum, few circles, 2 or 3 circles for lychees because it is in bunches. So you can make like this. And the stems are there. So let's make lines for the stems and for the leaves also. You can just touch it with the basket and make a circle. And then for the center part, for this part. And now we don't need this line which is coming inside the banana. So we can erase the line of the circle, which is the line of the pomegranate, which is coming inside the banana. Okay, like this. Please see this. It is a weaving thing and the lines are there, curved lines, and this part is like the weaving part is there. You can see this zigzag. So now I'm going to make zigzag for the pattern.